Today, I want to speak about something that sits at the core of our profession as architects, our responsibilities throughout the design and construction process. Architecture is often perceived as the act of creating form, shaping space, drawing plans, and designing buildings. But in reality, it's a continuous process of thinking, coordinating, deciding, and taking responsibility from the very first idea to long after the building is occupied. We begin with the pre-design phase, where architecture starts not with drawings, but with listening and understanding. At this stage, we try to understand the client's needs, not just what they say they want, but what their real goals, constraints, and aspirations are. We study the site carefully, reading its context, climate, orientation, and surrounding environments. We define the functional program, how the building should work, who will use it, and how spaces should relate to each other. At the same time, we test feasibility, asking a fundamental question: is this idea possible within the given budget, time, and constraints? From this foundation, we move into schematic design, where ideas begin to take shape. This is the moment where architecture shifts from analysis to imagination. Concepts are formed. A space planning begins. At this stage, communication with the client becomes essential. We present idea, receive feedback, and refine direction. It's a collaborative and iterative process where uncertainty is still present, but possibility is wide open. Then comes design development, where the concept becomes more precise and more real. Here we refine proportions, spatial relationships, and building systems. Coordination with consultants becomes critical. Structural, mechanical, electrical, and other disciplines begin to integrate into the design. Material selection and technical systems are defined more clearly. Increasingly, we also carry responsibility for energy performance and sustainability, ensuring that the design is not only beautiful, but also responsible and efficient. After that, we enter the phase of construction documents, where design becomes instruction. At this stage, drawings and the specifications must be precise, coordinated, and complete. Every detail matters, because these documents become the legal and technical basis for construction. Coordination between disciplines is essential to avoid conflict on site. At the same time, we prepare and submit documents for building permits, ensuring compliance with codes and regulations.